Interestingly, the more successful a country tends to go, the more prosperous they are, God plays less and less of a role.
Ponavadi je zanimivo, da ko vidimo družbe, ki postajajo vedno bolj uspešne, vedno bolj bogate, se ljudje vedno manj zanimajo za Boga.
And God never seems to force himself on us.
In izgleda tako, kot da Bog nikoli se ne vsiljuje.
He just goes to places where people have a felt need of, I need God in my life.
In izgleda tako, kot da Bog gre tja, kjer ljudje resnično imajo potrebo po Bogu.
So in my country, for example, we're very close to following the path of Europe, of decline of people who go to church, even decline of people who believe in God.
Torej v moji državi gremo po poti, po kateri je šla Evropa, torej da vedno več ljudi ne želi hoditi v cerkev, ne želi verjeti v Boga.
Because most people have it pretty good, and there are a lot of entertainment options, and there are more thrilling things to do than go to church, for example.
Preprosto zaradi tega, ker je toliko zabavnih stvari, ki jih lahko ljudje počnejo. Je pač bolj zabavno mogoče biti doma in gledati TV, kot pa iti v cerkev.
The American dream, you might say, would be sitting by a swimming pool with a glass of wine, watching 500 channels on your cable television.
Torej, ameriške sanje so mogoče, da sediš v bazenu, s pijačo v roki in imaš televizijo pred sabo s 500 kanali.
And then every once in a while something comes along. You find out your 3-year-old has cancer. You have the death of someone close to you, and it makes you think there must be more to life than just sitting there with my glass of wine.
In potem se mogoče zgodi tragedija in ugotoviš, da ima tvoj 3-letni otrok raka ali ti umre nekdo bližnji in se zaenkrat vprašaš, torej mora biti nekaj več v življenju kot pitje mojega kozarca vina.
And meanwhile, God has quietly moved to places who acknowledge a need for him.
In Bog se je počasi umaknil na kraje, kjer ga ljudje resnično potrebujejo.